Participation. Introductory Remarks. The previously discussed analysis has shown us the high God as the inseparable wonders of cosmic totality and order. Now we will penetrate into a number of conceptions to see in how far they sustain our conclusion. These conceptions are 1. The tondi, the sense of men, animals, plants, etc. 2. The begu, the spirit and deities. 3. Time and space. It is beyond the scope of this work to treat each of these subjects extensively, however interesting they may be. Our end is only to demonstrate the tenability of the thesis that each individual, each begu, each course of time and each space is an inseparable oneness of cosmic order and space compressed in the high God.